What's the most important thing for a first impression when a home is being listed for sale on the market? I'm Holly McKhann, local realtor in Orange County. I've fixed and flipped over 250 houses with my husband Scott, and I've helped another couple hundred plus people buy and sell real estate. I'm passionate about helping people build wealth and make money when they buy and sell real estate. So let's get back to the Orange County Housing Report. What is the most important thing for a first impression when a home hits the market? It's price. Price is one of the first things people see even before they look at photos because they're filtering as they're looking for homes to tour by price. If they're shopping for a home for $1 million, they're not going to be looking at $5 million homes. They're setting their filter, condensing it down, and looking at the price before anything else. Price matters tremendously. So in Stephen Thomas's latest Orange County Housing Report, he talks about this extensively and talks about the consequences of not correctly pricing your home because it can really hurt you in the end. I have experienced this many times with my husband, Scott. He can get kind of emotionally attached to homes when we're fixing and flipping homes for ourselves. And when it comes to pricing them, I will admit, sometimes Scott thinks that they should be priced higher than I do. I often go along with him because, got to stay married and stuff. Anyway, when it comes to pricing our homes, sometimes we price them too high and we end up chasing the market down and getting a lower price probably than if we had priced it low and let people bid it up. I see this time and time again for other people and even sometimes for us. So if you are considering selling your home, you definitely want to make sure you price at or below fair market value and hope that people are going to bid it up higher above fair market value. I've seen that happen a ton, and I get very excited when it's my own clients. I've had multiple experiences of that just in the last few months. It's really exciting. So Stephen Thomas, you'll see at the link below, you can get this whole report with all the details and all the numbers city by city for expected market time and median price and all those things. So check out your own city at the report at the link below. But I want to share a few quick thoughts from Stephen directly himself. Stephen is a local economist and an expert on the real estate market. I love following him and hearing his objective analysis and interpretations of the data when it comes to the Orange County housing market. And he himself lives in Orange County, so that makes it extra special to me. But he talks about how price is ultimately the most critical first impression of a home. Sellers only get one shot at this first impression. After the initial 10 days of coming on the market, most seasoned buyers have seen the home. That usually gets you 1 or 2 weekends. If you get that second weekend and you don't have offers or offers that you like after that point in time, it's a challenge. You're probably not going to get your list price or above. Some decide to tour the house, yet others, after considering all the details, decide that their phone tour is enough, meaning looking at their phone and looking and swiping through the photos. They're not interested in purchasing it any further. The longer a home is on the market, the less fanfare and excitement the property receives. Even if a seller reduces the asking price down the road, it is not met with eager buyer anticipation and enthusiasm. Currently, 27% of today's active listing inventory has reduced the asking price at least once. The data illustrates that lowering the asking price or stubbornly waiting to get a price is not the best strategy. If you'll see this graphic, which we're going to have on the screen here, he shows us, he breaks it down by categories. 88% of sales had no reduction in price, and their sales to last list price ratio was 101.3%, meaning they went over their last asking price. 1 to 4% of homes, 6% of sales had a 1 to 4% reduction in price, and they got 98.1% of their last price. And then an additional 6% of sales, the remaining, had a reduction of 5% or more. They got an average list to price ratio of 93.4%. And it's interesting for the timing too. For our next graphic, you can see 0 to 10 days on market accounts for 56% of sales, list to price ratio of 103%. 11 to 30 days on the market accounted for 26% of the home sales. They got 99.3%, and then it goes on from there. So the bottom line is the longer your home sits on the market, the more negotiable buyers perceive you are and are going to try and negotiate that price down. And you are coming from a perceived position of weakness. So the lower you're comfortable pricing your home ultimately will probably result in the highest price, because they're going to get lots of people coming, falling in love with it, and bidding it up to get you the highest net sales price. So that's my thoughts. All the details are in the housing report. Make sure you subscribe for more great real estate videos and comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this strategy and any personal experiences. Thanks for watching.